what do we do when we don't have one fraction? We have something like this. Again, make common denominators. So top and bottom by x. So I'm going to have x plus 2, x, which I can write it as x plus 2 over x. In the bottom, x squared. So I'm going to have x squared over x squared minus 4 over x squared. So I'm creating that fraction over fraction. So then I write it as a quotient, x plus 2 over x divided by x squared minus 4 over x squared. Then I flip it to multiply. So I have x plus 2 over x times x squared over x squared minus 4. Now I see if I can factor. So I have x plus 2 times x squared over x, difference of squares. So x plus 2, x minus 2. Same on top, same on bottom, cancels. This x cancels out with one of those x's, so I'm left with an x on top and an x minus 2 in the denominator. Again, pick the method that works best for you. Our last example is when we have a negative exponent. Okay, so we've talked about exponents before, and a negative exponent is improper. So whenever it's negative, we drop it into the denominator. So this would be 1 over a plus 1 over b over 1 over a cubed plus 1 over b cubed. Again, make those common denominators. So LCD would be AB, so I'm going to multiply this by b and this by a. That's what it's missing. So you're going to have b over ba plus a over ba. This is missing an a cubed, and this is missing the b cubed. So I'm going to have b cubed over b cubed a cubed plus a cubed over b cubed a cubed. Okay, make one numerator and one denominator. So b plus a over ba, b cubed plus a cubed over b cubed a cubed. Write it as a quotient. So I'm going to have b plus a over ba divided by b cubed plus a cubed over b cubed a cubed. Now take that, flip it to multiply it. So I'm going to have b plus a over ba times b cubed a cubed over b cubed plus a cubed. Now start working the factors. So in the top, I'm going to have b plus a times b cubed times a cubed. I have b in the bottom, but here, this is an example of sums of cubes. So I'd have b plus a times b squared plus ba plus a squared. So now I can start doing some cancellations. The b plus a cancels out, 1b cancels out with one of those, 1a cancels out with one of those. So in the numerator, I'd be left with a squared, b squared, I just went numerically, it doesn't matter, over b squared, and it's a plus, sorry, formulas, this should be a minus, minus ba plus a squared, and I can't simplify it anymore.